Greetings! In this tutorial, we're going to look at changing the banner in our Create a File / web page content items that we build into our course. And just for a little review, you're in your content module. You're going to go to Upload Create. We are going to create a file. And here we are, and that's our standard HTML editor. We are going to build from a template. Now remember, as soon as you add a template, you would erase anything that existed in this window, so be sure to use it first. I'm going to use the Elements template, and you can see here we have that banner, and that's the picture we want to change. In order to change that, I'm just going to click on it, click Delete on my keyboard, and then insert the image that I want to use. And remember, in the previous videos, we have created an image for this in a 1200 by 300 ratio, which works really well for these banners. I'm going to get that file from my computer, and we are going to use this tool banner JPEG right here. I'm going to drag it in, and we'll click Add. This is a decorative item, so I'm just going to check this. If you wanted to add alternative text for screen readers, that would be yours to do. Click OK. And I have used this picture before in my course, hence while I'll have this, you may not see this window pop up, but I'm going to overwrite the existing file and click Save. And there you have it. So as you can see, if we add a title here, we'll just call this Banner Video, and click Save and Close, our new image is going to appear at the top of our element. So, happy creating!